Welcome to my channel. My name is SilynthiaC, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family some financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebies down below so you can grab them if you'd like. Let's jump into it. Happy Freebie Friday. You guys, we are working on our Christmas and July savings challenges. All of these are freebies. I will try to make sure to link every lady that I did get these savings challenges from down below. What are we working on today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 doll hairs is what I have. Wait, I think I had 25 last week too. 25, that's a good number. Yeah, I'm still working on my budget, tweaking it the best way I can so that way I can work on these savings challenges each week. I am participating in 2 collaborations, so trying to make that happen, while it's a lot of fun, can be nerve-wracking trying to get money together to work on saving. It's a very big deal, and I know that I have these goals to save money for my Christmas binder. I want at the end of this month to see a nice chunky Christmas cash stuffing, so be on the lookout for that. All right, with this $25, I pulled out this is my little wallet binder that I've been keeping my Christmas and July envelopes in. They are getting nice and thick with my dollar bills. I'm going to try to, I was thinking about it, trying to switch the cash out, but we'll see how it all plays out if it's necessary. Because, yeah, we only have 1 more week to get these rocking and rolling. Let's see. All right, so I don't remember how they were last. Okay, doesn't matter. Let's just get these out here. Okay. Oh, this one is completed. Yes, we completed one last week. So we will just leave that one off to the side so that way I can mention where I got that freebie from. But I did complete it last week. Okay, forgot all about that. We're going to do it however we do and move forward. I'm living on the edge. I don't know what's up with me this month. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this last dollar is going there. And first off, the savings challenge I completed already was from Frugality is Life. I'll make sure to link her, even though you didn't see me play this one. I did grab that freebie from her. And then let's stack these and figure out how much each savings challenge is receiving today. All right, we'll get started. First, this one is from Kayla Evergreen Budgets. It's actually at Printable by Woods, but I'll link the YouTube channel down below. We're adding $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, $8 today. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, we have a dollar that we don't need to stuff today. We completed a savings challenge today. Progress. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15 is what we saved. And I'm just going to write that on there. Big 15 bucks. Okay, so these few dollars every Friday is adding up so quick. Last week we finished 1 savings challenge. So far today we completed another. So there's that. And let's go ahead and stack this one under here. And we'll see which savings challenge actually needs that dollar. This savings challenge I made, and we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh. Should I finish? I'm gonna finish it. We're adding this last dollar here. And this savings challenge is completed. Let's see how much we saved in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. I'm just gonna write 12 there. All right, another savings challenge completed. We do have 1 more week of these Freebie Fridays, so see how all of this plays out today and then what we're going to work on next week. I was not planning on pulling out any more savings challenges. We'll see. Perfect. All right, and this one is Happy Independence Month. I did make this savings challenge as well. We're adding $1. Now we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10. That one's not complete, so we don't need to stack that one. And we're adding $1, $2, $3 to this savings challenge from Cash Money Budgets. 2 and 3. We have $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Oh, 13. There's another dollar left in there. Let me make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. Okay. All right, and our next savings challenge is from the Nightlife, and we're adding $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Okay. And Mumshy Queen is getting $1 today. In total, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. Perfect. All right, so we completed 2 more savings challenges today, which I am so happy about. Seeing the progress happen weekly is very, very inspirational to myself and motivational. I think we can get caught up in these big numbers and seeing all these awesome savings challenges going and people saving lots of money every single week, and we can get lost in the idea of cash stuffing so much money. But the reality is my budget doesn't allow for a lot of money, but the fact that it's allowing for something at all, I'm very proud of myself for saving anything. I try to make sure I mention that, especially as a low-income single mom. I am trying my best every day to do the best I can for my children and the best I can for myself, especially financially, because a lot of, your life is based on what the choices you make financially. And you can cause a lot of chaos by making other choices that could ruin your finances. So I do have issues like everybody else, but because my budget is so small, I need to make sure I'm focusing on taking care of my responsibilities. And I'm really enjoying this savings because I know at the end of the month, I'm going to be able to cash stuff some money into my Christmas binder, which I've been eyeballing and looking at and just thinking, oh, at the end of this month, you're going to be so thick. So I'm very excited to see what happens with all of that at the end of the month. So next week, we will do one more cash stuffing for the month of July. Very excited about it. And once we do that, we will unstuff and count up how much we actually have. And then that way, once I have all my cash together for my Christmas and July savings that I'm working on for the whole entire month, I will then do a Christmas binder cash stuffing. So I'm so excited about that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.